Before tiny homes were a buzzword, and before Instagram feeds were filled with off-grid cabins on wheels, there was Hobby Caravan quietly perfecting the art of mobile living. Long before the craze, this Polish RV maker was already offering the dream of a cozy home on wheels with its Landhaus series, which they affectionately called the realization of our dream for a mobile home. The story starts back in 1967, when Harold Strefsky officially founded Hobby Wohnwagenwerk, better known today as Hobby Caravan. But truth be told, Strefsky had been tinkering with caravans long before that, building them in his spare time just for the love of it. Within only 3 years, his small factory of 42 employees was already producing 6 caravans a day. It's safe to say, Hobby was born out of passion and grew on the back of craftsmanship. For years, Hobby focused entirely on caravans, only later branching into motorhomes after earning its reputation as one of Europe's most forward-thinking RV makers. The Landhaus series, which translates to country house, perfectly embodied what made Hobby special: an old-school sense of comfort paired with a willingness to break conventions. The Landhaus was in production from the early 1980s right up until around 2018 or 2019. Strangely, it disappeared without any big announcement, as if it quietly drove off into the sunset. Despite being one of Hobby's most recognizable models, there's surprisingly little official information about it. No detailed records, no timeline, not even a mention on Hobby's website. It's almost as if the Landhaus has become a bit of a ghost story, one that still fascinates RV fans today. Every now and then, a Landhaus pops up on the second-hand market, instantly turning heads. The older 80s versions stand out with their rustic, cottage-like charm, looking deceptively spacious thanks to clever design. The newer ones grew in size and luxury, packed with all the comforts of home. Yet, one thing never changed. The Landhaus was always meant to feel like a family home on wheels. That home-like feel came with a trade-off, though. Hobby willingly sacrificed sleek aerodynamics and easy towability to make the Landhaus feel more like a house than a trailer. By its later years, it had become more of a semi-permanent park model than a true travel trailer. Some of the last iterations were enormous, over 9 meters long and up to 3 meters wide, and weighed more than 2,000 kilograms. Those boxy walls and overhanging rooflines weren't exactly designed for speed, but they sure gave the interior a lot of room to breathe. And that's where the Landhaus truly shined. The space inside was nothing short of lavish. Early models aimed to capture the feeling of a small home, while the newer versions practically were homes, just on wheels. Around 2014, Hobby refreshed the lineup, offering 2 floor plans: the 770CFF with a cozy island queen bed, and the 770CL with twin beds. Over time, they added even more layouts, including ones with bunks, but the core design stayed true to the Landhaus legacy. A welcoming lounge and dining space at the rear, a full kitchen in the middle, a split bathroom, and a restful bedroom up front. Big residential-style windows flooded the space with natural light, making the whole trailer feel bright and open. The 770CFF, for example, could easily be mistaken for a small apartment. Its lounge was massive, with wraparound seating and cabinetry, perfect for hosting a few friends. The kitchen wasn't an afterthought either. It had everything from a residential-sized fridge to a full cooktop and microwave, plus plenty of storage. The bathroom was cleverly positioned to separate the living area from the bedroom, which itself felt like a private little retreat. On paper, the specs were impressive too. About 9.13 meters long, 2.5 meters wide, and with a generous 2.32 meters of headroom. Depending on configuration, the Landhaus could handle up to 2,500 kilograms of payload. It came fully equipped with modern comforts: a Truma heating system, boiler, roof-mounted AC, heavy-duty supports, and even highway certification, allowing up to 100 kilometers per hour. Still, the modest freshwater, 50 liters, and wastewater, 24 liters tanks, hinted at its true purpose. This wasn't a trailer meant for constant travel. Instead, it was designed to stay put, offering a luxurious glamping experience at resorts or seasonal sites. By its final years, that's exactly how most owners used it. As the Landhaus evolved, so did its price tag. With high-end materials and a full suite of amenities, it moved into premium territory, though by then, it had earned every bit of that reputation. The Hobby Landhaus, with its signature roofline, generous proportions, and homely charm, was truly one of a kind. It served its time beautifully before fading away quietly when tastes changed. But in today's world, where modern travelers are once again craving spacious, stylish mobile homes, perhaps the Landhaus was just ahead of its time. Who knows? We might yet see its spirit make a comeback.